Hello student, good afternoon to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM Public School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. So today I am going to discuss about this some numerical. Some students have doubt with numericals, so I am going to solve the problem based on numericals. Okay. So first numerical is that convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter and concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter are placed in contact. Calculate first total power of combination. And second, what is the nature of combination? Okay, so you have to note this question. This is very important. And I am going to solve this question. So note this, or you can take the screenshot of this question. Okay. In this question, the focal length is given 20 centimeter for first lens, and for second lens this is 10 centimeter, and we have to find what is power. Okay, so I think you noted this question, and I am going to solve this problem. So F1 is 20 centimeter. Okay, so as you know, for formula for power, P equal to 100 upon F, if F in centimeter. So F centimeter. So P1 F1. So P1 equal to 100 upon 20. So when 100 divided by 20, so 5 diopter, and this is positive. Positive means this is convex lens. Okay. Second, F2 is given 10 centimeter. So P2 equal to 100 upon F2. So P2 equal to 100 upon 10. So P2 equal to, and F2 is concave. It means this is minus 10 centimeter. So minus 10. So minus 10 diopter. It means the power is 5D, and for second lens the power is minus 10D. For power of first lens is 5D, and power of second lens is minus 10D. So as you know, the power, total power is equal to algebraic sum of the power of lens which is used to form the combination. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find what is the total power of the lens. Okay, so P equal to 5 and minus 10. It means P equal to minus 5D. This is the power of the combination. So I hope you understand this numerical. The power of combination is minus 5D. And what is the meaning of this negative sign? What is the meaning of this negative sign? So this negative sign means this lens behave as a concave lens. Okay, this lens, this combination is behave as a convex lens, and the power is 5D. It means 5 diopter. So I hope you understand this numerical. Now I am going to take the another numerical based on this concept. Okay, so you can take a screenshot or you can note this numerical and this solution. Okay. So the second numerical, question number 2. A convergent lens of power 8D is combined with a divergent lens of power minus 10D. So calculate focal length, of the combination. So in this question, convergent means this is a convex lens, and power, it means P1 equal to 8 diopter. This is the power of first lens. And second is divergent lens. Divergent means this is concave lens. So this is P2 equal to minus 10D. So two lenses are given, one is convex and second is concave, and we have to find the focal length of combination. We have to find what is the focal length of combination of these two lenses. So you have to note this question, and I am going to solve this. Okay, you can take a screenshot or you can note this question. So as you know, the combination of power, the power of combination P equal to P1 plus P2. We can find the power of combination by the algebraic sum of given lenses. So this P1 is convergent, it means power is positive. So So P1 equal to plus 8D. But second lens is divergent lens. It means this is concave. It means minus 10D. So the combination, the power of combination P equal to 8 minus 10. It means P equal to minus 2D. So this is the power of combination. Now we have to find what is the focal length. So F equal to 1 upon P, or you can use F equal to 100 upon P. Okay, this value come in centimeter and this value will come in meter. When 100 divided by 2 minus 2, so minus 50 centimeter. So F equal to minus 50 centimeter. This is the focal length of combination. So I hope you understand. But if you want to solve by using this formula, so this is equal to 1 upon P equal to minus 2D. So by 0.0 it means 0.5 meter. So in meter the focal length is 0.5 meter, and in centimeter the focal length is minus 50 centimeter. Okay, and this is minus 0.5. Okay, it means the combination of lengths behave as a divergent lens. Divergent means it is a concave lens. It is a concave. Because negative sign, and negative sign come in concave, and it is a diverging lens. So this behave as a divergent lens. So I hope you understand the numerical. You can solve this numerical. I hope you can solve this numerical. So now I am going to take the another numerical based on this concept. Okay. So you can note or you can take this screenshot. The another numerical based on this concept. Let it is third numerical. A thin lens of power 8. A thin lens of focal length. In this case, not power. Focal length is given, not power. A thin lens of focal length minus 25 centimeter. So what is the power? What is the power of the lens? And it convex or concave. So question is that a thin lens of focal length minus 25 centimeter. What is the power of lens and it is convex or concave? So as you know the formula for power, the symbol of power is P. So P equal to 100 upon F in centimeter and P equal to 1 upon F in meter. So P equal to 100 upon F is minus 25 So -4 diopter. P equal to -4 diopter. If you want to use this formula, P equal to 1 upon, in this case, F in meter. It means first of all we have to convert this focal length F equal to -25 centimeter into meter. So how can we convert centimeter into meter? By dividing 100. 25 upon 100 in meter. So F equal to -1 upon 4. Or you can say -0.025 meter. So focal length is -0.25 meter. So P equal to -0.25. So by removing point, it is 100 minus will come, so -4 diopter. So P equal to -4 diopter. So as you can see, by both way the power will come -4 diopter. So the power is -4 diopter, and this behave as a concave. It means this is a concave lens. It means divergent lens. So I hope you understand this numerical. So the last, I am going to, you can take this in short, and I am going to solve the last numerical of this session. Okay? And if you have to try to solve this type of numerical, and you can ask tomorrow. And I will make video for solution. A convex lens, question number 4. A convex lens has a focal length of 40 centimeter. So calculate the power. So this is very easy numerical. You can solve by using the formula. Okay? So try to solve this numerical. So in this question, focal length is given 40 centimeter. It means F equal to 40 centimeter. And convex, it is given, this is a convex lens in positive. So as you know, P equal to 100 upon F, if F in centimeter. So 100 upon 40. 100 upon 40. So 0 divided by 0. So P equal to 2.5 diopter plus 2.5 diopter. So this is the power of the given lens. So I hope you understand how to solve this numerical. So you have to try to solve this type of numerical, and you can take the another numerical. 2 minutes are left, so I can solve another numerical. Question number 5. A thin lens of focal length -25 centimeter. I have solved this, and the last numerical is that an object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 25 centimeter. An object is placed of 50 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 25 centimeter. So what is the position? What is the position of image? So as you know, I have given video this type of numerical in my previous classes. So this is very easy numerical. In this question, an object is placed at 50 centimeter. It means u equal to 50 centimeter. And negative will come because object placed in left side to the lens. So u equal to minus 50 centimeter and focal length f equal to 25 centimeter. This is a convex lens, so it means f is positive, and we have to find what is the value of v. So by using lens formula, so you know lens formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So by putting value 1 upon v minus 1 upon 50 equal to 1 upon 25. So 1 upon v plus 1 upon 50 is equal to 1 upon 25. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 50. So 1 upon v is equal to 50 LCM. Then 50 divided by 25. So it is 2 minus 1. So 1 upon 50. So v equal to 50 centimeter. So this is the position of object. And this object placed to the right side. If this is lens, object placed at 50 centimeter in front of lens, then by the diagram you can see the position of object 50 centimeter and the position of image is also 50 centimeter. Okay, so it means the nature of image is nature. What is the nature? Nature is real and inverted. Okay, because as you know, if image placed right side, then image is real, and if image is placed at left side, this virtual. Okay, so you have to solve this type of numerical, and you can ask the another numerical. So thank you very much.